All right, Tesla fam. Let's break down when to use Tesla's bioweapon defense mode. 1. Heavy pollution areas. Bioweapon defense mode is perfect when driving through areas with poor air quality. Think cities with heavy smog, industrial zones, or during wildfire seasons. It filters out harmful particles, keeping the cabin air clean and safe. 2. Allergy season. If you or your passengers have allergies, this mode can help by removing pollen and other allergens from the air, making your ride much more comfortable. 3. Dusty roads or construction zones. Heading through a dusty area or near a construction site, activate bioweapon defense mode to keep fine particles from entering the cabin. 4. Hazardous situations. In rare situations like chemical spills or emergencies involving airborne toxins, the HEPA filter in this mode can offer added protection, ensuring that you and your passengers are breathing filtered air. 5. Routine air quality maintenance. Even in normal conditions, if you notice a funky smell or want to refresh the cabin, turning on bioweapon defense mode for a short time can help. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.